We French pilots fly American-built planes for the R.A.F. At 300 miles an hour, these A-20s skim over the waves of the English Channel toward the invasion coast, slipping into France at 0 altitude, below the searching fingers of German detectives. Their bellies scrape the cliffs, the fields, hedges, and houses on the way. No enemy fighter dares to dive at them. No ground battery has more than an outside chance to score a hit. They are on a great aerial steeplechase, and the prize of the hunt is a factory. Banking away from the mass of flame and smoke, the A-20s will return to their base in less than an hour. 3 men in each of these American-built planes have dealt a blow to the enemy from the air that will save the lives of 100 times their number when D-Day comes for our men on the ground. While the medium bombers are hitch-hopping back to Britain, 5 miles above them, an armada of our heavies battles its way deep into German skies.
Allied headquarters in Britain reports that a large formation of forts and liberators struck another crippling blow at German fighter production. Only 7 bombers failed to return. 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 Only 7 bombers failed to return.
And only 70 American boys failed to return. These boys in the twisted, burned, hollow shells of proud planes are now scattered over the sandy soil of Germany. These pieces of torn and smashed wreckage are mute testimony to the price we pay to destroy what lies beyond the frames of these pictures, the airplane factories of the enemy. Methodically, German workers salvage this precious American metal, ship and stack it neatly. Every few cubic feet of this pile contains a plane. 22,000 hours of American labor. Every yard of it means 10 American boys dead or captured. This is a pile of American sweat and blood. But these terrible losses will not stop us. Give us the planes, and greater fleets will go out in battle until not a factory in Germany is left to send 1 plane, 1 gun, 1 bullet against us. Pretty picture, eh? But in back of these hills, in the interior of this jungle, a Marine combat cameraman took some other pictures. On this combat slate, he describes them for you in his own plain words.
Cape Gloucester, 7th Marines, leaving front. 23 days and nights in same clothes, fighting Japs. United States Marine Corps.
These are American soldiers with war in their faces.
In moments of crisis involving the safety of our native land, the American people have invariably rallied against the danger with courage, faith, and resolution. For the past 2 years, we have been in one of these moments of crisis, perhaps the greatest in our history. On the battlefield and on the home front, men and women are daily making great sacrifices so that freedom and our way of life may be preserved. There is now in progress the 5th War Loan Drive to raise money so as to ensure that this conflict will be brought to the speediest possible conclusion and with the least loss in lives. Complete success in that drive will meet the acclaim of the forces in the field and will be renewed proof that all Americans are one solid phalanx of determination in this great war. All of us profoundly trust soon the world may be restored to a just peace. Until we can, with God's help, bring about that happy realization of our dreams, each of us must seek incessantly for ways and means by which the value of our services to our country may be enhanced. Right now, we can do so by buying bonds. Let's make this particular victory a quick and decisive one.
Back the attack. Buy more than before.